Right guys, it's time to say goodbye to cold meals and hello to hot delicious foods wherever you are with this game-changing Makita's cordless microwave. This is the new Makita 40 volt XGT cordless microwave. Tradesmen are always on the go, so they may not have access to a traditional microwave. This microwave will allow you to heat up any hot foods whenever and wherever you're working, especially if you've got a very physical and demanding job, which will fuel your body throughout the whole day. Or if you like hiking or camping or taking your van to a job site. So with this microwave, you can bring your own food, so you don't need to rely on any vending machines or any snacks outside. This is a very easy to use microwave as the power button is on the top. And with a simple touch of a button, you can easily switch between the two power outputs from 350 watts and 500 watts to ensure your food is heated perfectly every time. However, the 500 watts is just a temporary boost function. After 8 minutes, it will automatically switch to 350 watts. Plus, with the stop and start buttons and the adjustable dial, you have complete control over the cooking time. And also, let's not forget the bright display that shows all the important information, including the battery levels, so you can keep an eye on your power source. Let's test out the power of this 8-litre capacity by warming up some food. It's lunchtime, I'm hungry, so I'm going to put these in for 2 minutes and see how they come out. Its bright light inside allows you to check up on it while it's cooking. As you can see guys, within 2 minutes my rice is fully complete and ready to eat. My colleague wasn't a fan of rice, so I'm going to make him some popcorn. As you can hear, it's popping off in there. You can tell it's nearly done. As you can see, perfect to eat. Oh, these are really nice. Apart from this, cleaning this microwave is an absolute breeze. Simply take out this filter here. Obviously clean it whenever you want. The runtime of this microwave is crazy. When you're using two 4-amp batteries, it gives you about 15 minutes. But when you use two 8-amp batteries, it gives you approximately about 35 minutes. You don't need to worry about power as they're run on by 40 volt batteries. You can just use one battery, but instead of it dying out, you can actually use two batteries at once. And have you ever seen a microwave that charges your phone? Well, guess what? This one does. Simply put this USB stick in here, whack it in here, while eating your popcorn. As you can see guys, this microwave is very portable and easy to move around. So there's no time to waste. Head over to our website on toolstotrade.co.uk.